The transformation begins outside. Years of moss and grime are carefully removed, revealing the elegant stone facade beneath. Damaged exterior details are stripped away. Slowly, the mansion's refined architectural silhouette returns. What once looked abandoned now begins to feel alive again. As we step inside, the true vision of this renovation starts to unfold. The grand hall stands empty, waiting to be reimagined. Instead of ordinary flooring, the design introduces something extraordinary: artistic, epoxy resin floors that turn each room into a work of art. The process begins with careful preparation. Concrete surfaces are smoothed and cleaned, creating the perfect base.
All right, team, let's get this concrete perfectly smooth for the epoxy. Leveling now, boss.
Forming patterns inspired by marble, gardens, and abstract art. In the grand entryway, delicate floral patterns bloom beneath your feet, creating a welcoming space that feels both luxurious and artistic. Moving into the living room, marble-inspired resin designs reflect the soft glow of chandeliers and warm lighting. The dining area introduces fluid resin swirls, bringing movement and elegance to the space where people gather. In the kitchen, polished epoxy surfaces create a sleek, modern finish. The bedroom transforms into a peaceful retreat, with soft, floral resin tones and calming textures that invite relaxation. At the staircase landing, layered resin creates a dramatic glass-like depth, turning every step into a visual experience. Finally, the lounge area blends botanical inspiration with contemporary design, bringing the feeling of nature indoors. As evening falls, warm lighting reveals the true magic of the resin floors. Every reflection, every pattern, every glossy surface becomes part of the mansion's new identity, from abandoned ruin to a breathtaking masterpiece. This is the power of vision, creativity, and transformation.